So welcome back to the bench, and we've got an interesting one today. We've got this Avalon preamp, which I think is like a DI box for guitars. What is interesting about this is I think you can also plug a speaker cab into it. And then you've got mic or line level outputs and headphones. Luckily, they're quite easy to work on. You can just remove the top and remove the bottom plate. I've checked for any kind of obvious loose connections. The transformer is quite heavy, so you often get problems here. It looks like someone has soldered this up before. So when I plug it in, it doesn't have a power switch, but we get no lights at all. So the first thing I want to test is make sure we're getting some angry pixies into this bridge rectifier here. So there's an earth point now. If we can identify which is the earth. So the earth is between those two diodes there. So we should be getting, I'd say around 50 volts. So we're getting 52 volts there. And this should be the negative voltage rail. So luckily the transformer's all working up to that point there. Now there's a power resistor here, which I would imagine we're not getting anything from there. Without schematic, I don't know which side, but that's not looking good. And there's another one over here. Okay, that's interesting. So power's coming in initially, getting rectified. But after that, all bets are off. Now, I don't know if you can see all these capacitors. It's really hard to tell if they're bulging, but I kind of put money on these capacitors. Especially this one here. This one here. See, that one looks like it's bulging. I think it won't take long. I might just quickly recap these caps here, see what happens. So out of all these caps that I took out, this one here this is in-circuit leaky. And this one also. So considering that all these caps are the same, I think I'm just going to recap everything. It really doesn't take too long, and Yeah, some of these look quite bulgy anyway, so I don't really like the look of any of them. So yeah, I'll just recap the whole lot. Okay, so it definitely paid off. Full recap on here. Didn't replace the main filters, they looked okay. And all brand new power supply caps. I'm pretty sure it was several of these which were stopping it from booting up. And I'm happy now that none of the other caps are going to go. So, hope you enjoyed that. Catch you next time.